Good morning, children. Welcome back to our new video of History Chapter 4 in the earlier cities. Before starting, there is a story of Jaspal and Harpreet. These two children were curious to know about old haunted house. They were playing cricket. They heard someone talking. There was an old house beside their playground. One man and woman were discussing about old haunted house, how nice the house, we should write a letter to the minister so that they can preserve and look after it well. Those two boys called old house has a haunted house. Maybe devil live in this house. Why there is need to preserve haunted house? These two children were thinking. We need to know about old house because it tells about the history. So all these old things we come to know through history. So old thing preservation is must. Now we move on to our topic story of Harappan. Around 1050 years ago, most of the remain of Harappan civilization was extracted by British. So all the remain that was there were more or less destroyed. Still, by around 80 years back, there were excavation activities that started, and we started to discover about the ancient civilization that exists, which was Harappan civilization. Now, what was the kind of civilization that exists? The kind of houses, the kind of drainage system, street pattern, we'll try to understand in this next topic. What was special about cities? First, with the city structure, the city was basically divided into two segments. The western part was smaller part and eastern part was bigger. This western part was much higher as compared to eastern part, which was basically lower and known as lower town. However, western section of the civilization, which was higher and smaller, was known as citadel. So that was the basic layout. So now was layout built. Most of the layout here was the through brick wall that was around the city, and the interesting pattern was arrangement of the brick was not as the present day construction. Rather, there was interlocking brick that was there. So that means if you have one that lie in a vertical position, the other would lie in a horizontal position. So this was the kind of arrangement of bricks that was present, and it formed interlocking pattern which was unique to Harappa civilization at that time. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro was the two major regions for development for the based on which we can study how previous civilization flourished in India. Mohenjo-daro, known for its great bath, this great bath lying over the brick all over the boundary, and it was coated with the plaster, watertight with a layer of natural tar, and there was no leakage or seepage of water from Great Bath. Great Bath was surrounded by room all the side, and the two sides you have steps to reach to the Great Bath. So Great Bath was a unique characteristics of Mohenjo-daro. Now again, Kalibangan is in Rajasthan and Lothal in Gujarat, where you have fire altars that was seen. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal known for their storehouses. So they used to store of grain of wheat and barley in the storehouses. Moving on to the structure of houses, drains and street. Most of the houses was one of the two stories, either there was one floor or two floor, one story or two story that was present. Most of houses built around the courtyard, every house has its own bathing areas and well select supply water to each and every house. All the drains that were present covered, and in between the drain it had inspection hole. This inspection hole could be opened in order to clean the drain. Again you had smaller drain that connected to the bigger drain, and there was a kind well maintained drainage system for the waste that was there. Since this region not the region of abundant rainfall but was important was water storage, so most of the water was stored in the well at that time. Life in city. Now, how was the life in the city? The rulers of region mainly engaged in construction activities, so they wanted the region to have kind of good construction. For ornamental purpose, they used gold, silver and beads, which was considered as precious stones mainly imported from different parts of India and abroad. Then you have Scribes were the people who wrote and prepared the seals. Then you had people who were craftsmen. They were creating toys for children. Mainly toys were made up of terracotta. Again you have seal that was from the seal are considered as earliest form of writing that was present in Harappa, but till date Harappan writing cannot be read. We are unable to identify what people wrote on the seal. So I conclude with the following topics. In next video continue with the other remaining topics. So till then, goodbye.